Thompson out.
In the final year of a 2-year, $30 million deal, Curry weaving to the free throw line. Oh, go for it, Richard.
No, I was going to say, let's act like this is a regular game. This is not how you would...
Oubre, eyes up, finds Curry, and there is that timeout. Curry up to 20 points, and yeah, Richard, as you said, not the start to the third quarter Sacramento would want. Curry getting free. Large step, and has really found his stroke now in the third quarter, Richard.
And that's what shooters are going to do. He doesn't worry about if he was 3 for 13 in the first half. You know what he's going to do? He's going to start the second half 3 for 3 and make the Sacramento Kings call the first time out.
From being drafted to playing in a regular season game and basically Curry around the Looney screen. You bet. Stephen Curry with 16 in the